just arrived at the job, just getting some kit in. I'll pick you up again when I'm inside. So here we are inside the job. This is what I was talking to you about yesterday evening. Basically, what it's turned out is that we're going to be replacing all these base units, all the worktops, all the way around. New sink going in, new hob going in. The new one going in is going to be an induction hob, so we need to upgrade the cable to a 10mm cable, and back at the fuse board we need to put a 40 amp fuse in. These are where the appliances are going. As you can see, there's pipes fouling the back as well as the plug, so what I need to do is drop a cable down without disturbing those tiles, hopefully, and move the socket along into the nearest cabinet, and the same with that one. So as you can see, I've made a start of ripping this one out. I'm just in the process of taking the worktops off, and I got the units coming this afternoon, which would be good. So I can make a start when they arrive. In the meantime, we'll get all the plumbing and electric sorted. So it's just a case of putting the units in and start putting it back together then. Yeah, so once we get all that done, I am then doing bits and bobs electrical wise at this job. So we are putting in extra double sockets, one at the bottom, one at the top. Same in the living room, over in the corner, that one's becoming a double. In the dining room, we've got the same thing. One in the corner becoming a single to a double. And then over in this corner, what I actually discovered is that somebody's taken the power from this socket to run all the conservatory. So I've now got to run a new ring for the conservatory from the fuse board out to there, sort that out, so that'll be done at a later date. So my next job really is to get the kitchen sorted. I want to get that up and running so the customer's got something to use, and then we will be going on to the floor. So we've taken up the tiles yesterday in the kitchen. All this is being ply lined before putting down an oak floor all the way through the hallway. Coming up to the door, there's going to be a mat weld into the floor, so where we've taped it off there's going to be a mat sunk in there as you come through the door. New skirting boards on this one. We're going into the living room with the new floor, again all being ply lined, so it's all the same level. As you can see, we've got some flooring here ready to go, and the same with the dining room, carpet coming up, and oak flooring going down, so there'll be a few fresh old strips to go in, skirting boards, a lot of carpentry work. I do need to shoot off in a minute and get some materials for the first fix stuff, the plumbing and bits and bobs. So I will go do that, and I'll let you know how I get on and pick you up again when we're sort of doing the plumbing and doing some soldering. Should be fun. See you soon. Hiya, I'm back in the van. I'm cutting the job short today, because after a bit of investigating and a bit of ripping out, it turns out that the customer hasn't got RCD protection on the board, which actually means needs a whole new fuse board. And after a further investigation, we discovered a few things wrong with the wiring in the kitchen. So in this case, what we're going to do is postpone the job for a couple of days. I am going to go back there on Friday this week, hopefully with the electrician I use, and make a bit of a plan for a fuse board change. Hopefully it doesn't go into any other work and it's just a fuse board change, but unfortunately with this kind of thing you can't really give an exact cost. What it does mean is that once you have a fuse board change, you have to obviously do a test afterwards, and if at that point we discover anything wrong with the circuits that are already there, that's got to be rectified before going any further, before she can have it, before she can have her certificate, basically, to say she's had a new fuse board. So it's all these things that are cropping up, and I'm a bit like, unexpected on the job, and it's kind of getting to the point where her budget has gone out the window for one, and time's become a bit of an issue at the moment, but we'll get there, we'll get back there. So what I've done is started another job in Clevedon today. That is basically it's a kitchen, bathroom and cloakroom. in a flat. It is downstairs on a ground floor flat. So what we're doing is studding off all the ceilings, because it is there's a lot of conduit, cables, pipe work. So what we've done is brought the ceiling down, by about 3 inches, just to hide all that. And then tomorrow, I've studded them off today. Tomorrow I'll be there reboarding, and hopefully Friday afternoon, hopefully I'll plaster it, depending on how I get on back at the original job. So yeah, this video's been a bit cut short, unfortunately, but I will start again when I'm back at the job, and hopefully we'll make some progress towards next week and we can get back on track. But yeah, again, what I was saying about, you just really don't know about these jobs until you get stuck in. It can all go pear-shaped, you know. Once you start digging around and you find these things, if only we had X-ray vision and we could see through ceilings and walls, that would be amazing. But yeah, unfortunately we haven't, so it is what it is at the end of the day. So yeah, I've notified the customer and she's aware of all this. So yeah, she just said, yeah, I'm obligated to do it, really. So yeah, hopefully you'll see that next week, and we'll get rocking and rolling on that one. But yeah, in the meantime, you'll probably see some bits and bobs of this job, a bit of plastering again, a bit of boarding, and yeah, go from there really. Anyway, I'm on my way home, just on the motorway. So it's about 5 o'clock now, and I'll pick you up again when we're back at this job doing the ceilings and plastering, so it should be good. Okay, so I'll catch you then. See you in a bit. Morning, just left my house. Fresh day, fresh start. Anything could be better than yesterday. Just about to go and pick up the materials for the job. Pick up some plasterboard, some screws, some bits and bobs, and we'll get cracking. It's about a half-hour drive to the job this morning. So what I'll do is go pick the materials up, get down there, get cracking. Anything's got to be better than yesterday. So yeah, fingers crossed we can make some good progress today. My plan is to get all the prep done today. Hopefully we'll pop back to the previous job tomorrow morning, investigate the electrics a little bit more, and then we'll get back down to this one and plaster it out, hopefully. So I'll see you down there.
Tonight we'll see and hear firsthand
this kind of sound. Let's hear the rest of it.
So as you can see, I've just finished bordering the ceiling. That's all done and dusted. What I'm going to do is have a quick tidy up now, and then I'll probably get into the bonding then, finish the prep today. Just wanted to point some out to you. What I have noticed is I just went off for lunch, came back, and yeah, this is a block of flats, in case I didn't say. So somebody's got a leak in the stack pipe down there, as you can see. I've come back and there's a big puddle of water down there, so something above is actually tracking down and coming down to the ground floor, which is all fun and games. As I was saying, can this job get any worse, you know? Anyway, I'll try and investigate that, see what's going on, and yeah, crack into the plastering. As you can see, the sinks here are really small, so I'm resorting to using the shower and the filmy bucket that does the job.